It's hot out there, but it may not feel like it's in the 90s. The humidity's way down, so even though it's almost as hot in some areas as it was yesterday, when it was plenty hot yesterday, trust me. It's pretty warm right now. 92 in Weslaco and Harlingen, even 90 in Brownsville. 80s right along the coast, but as I mentioned, the humidity's been knocked way down. Dew points are in the 40s on average, so very dry air mass, which will try to cool off some this evening, but may not be quite as cool as it was this morning because the humidity will be on its way back up. So we should see lows at least down in the 60s tonight. Air's been pretty clean today, but the air quality starting to drop off a little bit around Brownsville in the lower valley. The moderate air quality coming back as some of that smoke from Central America and Mexico is trying to come back in. So not a major health concern, but you might notice a little more haze in the sky later this evening and tomorrow before it gets pushed away again with the next cold front on Wednesday. Winds are very light right now, but where it's coming in from the east, that's where some of the haze is coming back in and the humidity right along the coast. But you see wind speeds overall around 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, though, a little more humidity, a lot of sunshine, and a lot of heat. Near 100 tomorrow afternoon in Rio Grande City. Most of the valley back in the 90s with 80s right along the coast, but the breezes will be around for a little bit. I think maybe 10, 15, 20 mile per hour breeze, at least in the lower valley, but upper valley may see those winds die off some and really push temperatures higher. Did have a couple thunderstorms yesterday, the tail end of the cold front rolling through. You see right there it is, in Cameron and Wilsey counties yesterday. A couple storms quickly blew up and raced off to the east, and now we're all clear across the valley and across Texas. No storms this evening, and the weather looks pretty quiet the next few days in Texas. Warm front rolls up tomorrow, which just means more humidity and some breezy conditions, but very hot temperatures on Tuesday. The next cold front actually has a little more of a punch to it. It's in North Texas tomorrow and then moves through the valley around sunrise on Wednesday. And behind that front, breezy and cooler weather coming back for Wednesday. And the cool temperatures actually stick around for a couple of days after that. So not cool, but not 90 degrees anymore for a few days. Future track shows this too. If you look closer to home here, we zoomed in and you can see sunshine around tomorrow during the day. A little breezy at times near the coast, and then tomorrow night looks mainly clear. Cold front comes through again near sunrise on Wednesday morning. Probably no rain. I mean, tiny chance of maybe a sprinkle. And then behind that, sunshine comes back, but breezy and cooler weather. Highs should be generally in the low to mid 80s most of Wednesday afternoon, and may even be back in the low to mid 80s again on Thursday. So first 1570 forecast. I was mentioning this last hour at 4 o'clock. This is the first 7 day in a while where it has more 80s than 90s. So I guess that's a good thing. 90s tomorrow, back around 84 on Wednesday with sunshine. Kind of breezy. Winds may gust about 35 miles per hour on Wednesday. Less wind, low humidity, and pretty nice weather Thursday with highs in the low 80s, but lows in the 50s on Thursday morning, maybe Friday morning. But the heat comes back by Sunday and Monday. We'll keep tracking the cold front in your first 1-5 forecast ahead.